Hello everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to create this cute little keychain. I was inspired by the TV show Cardcaptor Sakura Clear Cards. So let's begin. And the items you'll need are this plastic sheets, and I bought this at Daiso. It came with these keychains so you don't have to buy it separately. You'll also need Sharpies, frog tape to hold your plastic sheet, a hole puncher, and a piece of white paper to draw your design. I used the plastic sheet to outline the border to know where to draw. So at first I tried to draw the star from the clear card design, but it didn't look good, so I just drew the star that I normally draw. Now I start to draw the border, and finally I start to draw the details. And now I just added the clear sheet on top, and to hold it in place, I added tape. And to outline it, I used the Sharpies. Now on the plastic sheet packet, it doesn't mention how long you have to wait before you remove it. It just mentions that you have to remove it once it stops shrinking. Quickly take it out before it dries, or else it'll be difficult to flatten it out. Okay, do you have the books?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That was way too quick. Oh my gosh. Okay, now.
I mean, I like how the colors are vibrant. Alright, so this is how it turned out. It cracked in the side and there's dents all over. It's basically not a straight line. It's not straight, it's all crooked. And I realized my mistake is that I didn't remove it quickly when it stopped shrinking. And once it stops shrinking, you have to remove it really quick or else it's gonna easily break and it's not gonna be very smooth to mold. So I tried it again, and this is how the second one turned out. And notice how it's perfectly straight and it's amazing looking and it's so much prettier. That's because once it stopped shrinking, I immediately grabbed it with 2 pencils and I immediately flattened it out with 2 books. So yeah, so this is how it's supposed to look. It looks nice. I like the way it turned out. I just wish that this one turned out better. But like, I'm still keeping it because it looks cool, it looks antique.
It looks like a bent card.
It does. It looks like a bent used card. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys got an idea of how to make these Cardcaptors clear cards. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.